Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by signing into your Nord account on the website. This is the control center for subscriptions. Once signed in, navigate to the billing or subscriptions section and locate the active Nordvpn plan. Make sure you note the renewal date and the payment method so you can reference it if you request a refund. If you have multiple subscriptions, verify the specific plan to cancel. These first steps prevent accidental cancellations of the wrong service and save time during support interactions. Once you've chosen the subscription, click Manage or Cancel. Nord will usually ask why you're leaving and present retention offers. Provide a concise reason and proceed to confirm the cancellation. This often requires clicking 2 confirmation buttons. Make sure to read whether cancellation stops future billing immediately or at the period end. After confirming, watch your inbox for the cancellation confirmation email and review your billing history to ensure the recurring charge is disabled. If you accepted an offer, decide if that changes your intent. To finish, save the cancellation confirmation and verify in billing that the subscription is inactive. If charges continue or cancellation didn't register, contact Nord support via live chat immediately and provide your account email, last 4 digits of the payment method, and the confirmation timestamp. Ask support to disable auto-renew and request a refund if you're within their money-back period. Be clear and polite. If chat is unavailable, email support with the same details and attach any screenshots to speed resolution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.